Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dance Alright, everyone, you don't know who this is already. This is the Skiller. Constable Ramon Smith, a police officer that is linked with the Spanish Town North Division, and Vanessa Johnson lost their lives to a car accident in the wee hours of the morning, 16th of April 2019. It has been reported that Constable Smith was driving a Nissan AD wagon, a white Nissan AD wagon, and Vanessa was the passenger when it collided with a truck on the Damhead Main Road, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Now, you don't know, so I have somewhat of an audio and visual for you, my viewers. However, this audio and visual that I'm about to play might not be suitable for everyone, so viewer discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my video to you, you can leave it in the comment section, let me know. And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button to stay tuned to see what's up. All right, anyways, observe.
Oi, watch you now. You see him? You see him? Look while he nasty or so.
Swell, man.
In the just now, man. I swell up and all. And them bruises and them
Dead,
things.
man.
Daddy, rest in peace, yo. All the earbag fire and can't save him.
Nothing
See, woman fingernail, you know.